To fix the problem where your flashlight enables automatically on Oppo Find X9 Pro, there may be a few different causes. So first let's open a settings. We can go into home screen and lock screen style, click on our current theme, and then there's those two shortcuts right here. So if you have a torch like this on the left or right, just click on it and make sure that nothing is selected and apply it. That way your flashlight shouldn't open randomly. The other cause is more probable, so let's go down into the settings, accessibility and convenience, and then in the gestures and motions on the bottom you can find shake to launch. Here there's a turn torch on and off. If you had this enabled, just make sure that there's nothing enabled in this specific options. What it does is if you shake your phone, it will either open a camera or turn on torch. And this may happen if you move your leg with a phone inside a pocket, and that is the other cause for that problem. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.